it's Erin here at Sherwood Park Hyundai. Today I'm going to take you for a walk around this 2016 Kia Soul in a beautiful solar yellow. This four-door vehicle comes with projection style headlights and fog lights. Under the hood is a 1.6 liter engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, this Kia Soul comes with a flip key fob. You can lock and unlock the vehicle, open the trunk, and there is a panic button as well. Alright, so having a look inside here on the door panel, you see that it does have power windows, locks, and mirrors. It has some storage in the door handle as well as in the door side compartment area. It has a beautiful black cloth seating with white accent stitching throughout the whole vehicle. Alright, we are inside. Let's start her up. There we go. So as I mentioned, it is a 2016 car. It has 78,217 kilometers on it. But backing out and having a look at the steering wheel, we do have volume control, as well as you can flip between different radio stations. You can flip between AM and FM and satellite radio and Bluetooth here. We have hands-free Bluetooth talking. And then we do have cruise control over here. And this is the steering wheel mode. So if you look just right there, you have comfort, normal, or sport. So we'll just put it to normal. Having a look down here, you see that it does have traction control, which you can turn off. We have a speaker there and a speaker over there. Having a look down the center, up top, you see it does have the hazard light button and 2 vents. Going down, you see that it does have presets for your radio stations, AM and FM. It is Sirius XM compatible and it is Bluetooth compatible, so you are able to hook up your Bluetooth phone and listen to your music. We have the power and volume dial over here, and then over here is going to be your tuning dial. Going down to the heating and cooling. Here, this dial controls the speed of the air, this dial controls where the air hits you in your body, and this dial here controls the temperature of the air. We do have an active eco mode option, which is on right now or off. Having a look there, we have 2 12-volt outlets, an auxiliary jack, and a USB. As I mentioned, this is a 6-speed automatic transmission vehicle. We have some storage up front here. We have 2 cup holders. We have the emergency handbrake. Right here we have our armrest and storage compartment. And we go up to here. We have our push interior lights. So you just push up here. We do have a handy sunglasses holder for you. And this is going to be your Bluetooth speaker. Sorry, microphone. Having a look right here, nice wide sun visor, comes with a mirror, as well as a light. Alright, so we're having a look at the back seat of this Kia Soul. As you can see that it does have power windows for your backseat passengers. We have the beautiful black cloth seating throughout the back seat as well with the white accent stitching. We do have on the back of the passenger seat a nice document holder for you. We have the center raised armrest complete with 2 cup holders. So you are able to fold down the seats in this vehicle. It's going to be this lever here on the shoulder of the seat. So you're going to pull up on that, pull forward. Folds down in a 60-40 split, so you can set it into any configuration that you might need. Alright, coming to the back of this 2016 Kia Soul. You see that it does have a back windshield wiper. We're going to reach down here. There's a little button. You're going to push on that and pull up. Opens up super easy. You have lots of room in the back of this car. As you can see, there's a little bit of storage. We have some tie-down hooks for you. We have a 12-volt outlet for you right there. A couple more tie-down hooks right here, for example. Lots of room in the back of this Kia. Able to transport pretty much whatever you may need. Let's have a look under here. Ooh, even more storage for you, which is awesome. Alright, so as you can see, I pulled out that storage insert for you. Having a look in here, we do have the tire inflator right in here for you, so you can fix your flat tires. Alright, so we are just finishing up this vehicle walk around on this 2016 Kia Soul in a beautiful solar yellow color. If you have any other questions, come on down to Sherwood Park Hyundai, and one of our sales associates will be able to answer those questions for you. They will also be able to take you for a lovely test drive in this beautiful vehicle. Come on down to Sherwood Park Hyundai. Hope to see you soon.